Hello, friends. Welcome to this channel, Center of Excellence. This is the episode number 14. I'm going to discuss the future of pharma manufacturing, executive perspective on Industry 5 and beyond. Let me give my introduction. My name is Jayan Joshi. I'm having more than 45 years of industry experience with a passion for adoption of emerging technologies to achieve business excellence, mainly in a pharma and regulatory industry. We already have our YouTube channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4, which is having more than 225 videos. And these videos are focused on two emerging technologies, digital transformation and Pharma 4. Recently, we have also launched a course, Smart Manufacturing in Pharma, on Udemy platform for learning management system. This has also got about 12 modules and has got a good content for learning. We have recently launched a podcast channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4, and this is our 14th episode. I do request all of you to please subscribe these all various channels. Look at it, share your thought process. Please put your comment, share with your network also. And if you have any suggestions, please write to us. So let's look at it, the today's episode. As we are now getting familiar with Pharma 4, I'm going to discuss over here is what is the future of pharma manufacturing with a concept of Industry 5 and beyond, actually. This is a continuous evolution of pharma manufacturing, smart manufacturing for the Industry 4, Pharma 4. And now we are also thinking about the Industry 5 and how this phase is going to integrate with various advanced technologies with a focus on human-centric approach. When we are discussing about the Industry 5 is going to use same technologies with more advancements, but which will be more human behavior nature. So how to get a familiar or what is the definition of understanding Industry 5? So Industry 5 is presented as an evolution which is beyond Industry 4, focusing on collaboration between human and machines, actually. It emphasizes the importance of human expertise in manufacturing processes while leveraging advanced technologies to enhance productivity and efficiency. So what is this human-centric manufacturing? This is a value of human inputs into the manufacturing processes where technology support is rather taken and replaces the human roles, actually. This approach aims to enhance job satisfaction and leverages human creativity in a problem solving and more innovation into various manufacturing processes, optimizations, qualities, and digital supply chain management. So that is what is the approach. So how we are going to integrate this various technologies? These various emerging technologies, they always remain same. They are cloud, artificial intelligence, IoT, robotics, and big data analysis. These can be integrated into pharma manufacturing and supply chain management to optimize processes, improve quality, and enhance digital supply. So what are these collaborations across the department? As we discussed about the Pharma 4 initiatives are actually looking at it seamless data sharing across all the processes and organization. But this fostering collaboration further with various other functions. It's basically an objective about when we are talking about pharma 4, 5 also, from 4 to 5. And regulatory consideration, the same regulatory challenges which are there associated with pharma 4 about adopting this new technologies always remain the same. But it's becoming more enhancements from the pharma 5 point of view actually. Other thing which we have to consider is agility and flexibility. The need for this agile manufacturing processes can quickly be adopted by changing the market demands and regulatory requirements, and which is also going to be a key advantage for industry 5 or pharma 5 when we were thinking about it. And what is the future outlook? The predictions about how Industry 5 will shape up the future of pharmaceutical manufacturing include the potential advancements both into the technology point of view, changes onto the regulatory framework, and then ensuring the support with an innovation from the human behaviors who are going to work at the shop floor level and all those skills which are going to get added into the process. So just to conclude, by reinforcing the future of pharmaceutical manufacturing lies in successful integration of these emerging various advanced technologies with a human-centric approach with the Industry 5 principles actually. So thus by focusing on to personalized medicine, sustainability, collaboration, regulatory compliances, pharma companies can navigate the complexities of evolving landscape while enhancing the operational efficiencies and improving patient outcome. So the patient is going to be also a part into this complete process, and patient safety, patient satisfaction is going to be a most important thing. So, what are these various emerging technologies which are going to drive Industry 5 principles to pharma manufacturing? So, adoption of Industry 5 principles or strategies are something like that, which will enhance operational efficiency, improve patient outcome. As we are saying that, this is more human driven approach, in the industry for you than that just a technologies between the humans and the machines, which offer a better quality product, assure the satisfactions to the patient, and they get a right product, right quality, right time, right price. So these are the focus areas which Industry 5 or Pharma 5 will be looking at it. The most important again over here also it's artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence also helps in a new product development, the improvement, all into the manufacturing processes. It may be even a distribution logistic also, something like that. Also helps in predictive maintenance, quality control, compliances, manufacturing process optimizations. And this analysis, the large data set, big data which is getting compiled and identify the patterns and the trends for the smarter data driven decision making and all. So what will be the impact? Impact of this technology is reduces time for to market or time to order to deliveries or reduces the cycle time and all, and also improve the accuracy to supply chain predictions to support to the sales and operation planning with product safety to the patients and all. Then next is the Internet of Things. Internet of Things devices are used for the real-time monitoring of manufacturing process, picking up the data with the sensors from equipments and all, and tracking the environmental conditions also. So that ensures the compliance with the quality standard. And the impact will be this continuous data streams will have a better visibility across the digital supply chain and will allow for the more proactive management onto the production and inventory level. The third area is robotics and automation. As we are not seen so much into Pharma 4, but Pharma 5 or Industry 5 will have a more application which will automate the repetitive tasks into material handling, assembling, packaging, and inspections, everything. So this will give very much improvements into the present efficiency and accuracy while reducing the human error. So this will lead to faster production cycles and lower the operational cost and all. The fourth parameter is actually big data analytics. As we have discussed earlier also, that since we are connecting uh, sensors using Internet of Things and all, and we are also going to get it integrated with other applications like quality management system or manufacturing execution systems or ERP systems or maybe supply chain system. There's going to be a huge data which is going to get compiled into this whole process. And this requires an analysis and all that. And this large volume can generate many more analysis, which will give you the patterns and trends and all. And this exactly will be useful to give an impact on optimizing production schedules, reducing wastages, and enhancing the product quality by better decision makings and all that. So that's a big advantage. Why when we are thinking about moving from industry 4 to industry 5 and all that. Cloud computing is another emerging technology. So cloud, as we are already discussed in Industry 4, Pharma 4 also, which facilitates the data storage and sharing, will have many more other new capabilities which will go on coming up. And this collaboration amongst the all stakeholders of the pharma supply chain will benefit it and all. And then that scalability of the data, storage of the data, security of the data will give much more benefit, and that will reduce significantly the cost of investment required into the capital infrastructure. Blockchain is another technology which ensure the secure and transparent tracking of product, the batches into the throughout the digital supply chain management and all. And that enhances the traceability and prevent the counterfeiting actually. And that assures the trust among all stakeholders. They could be the distributors, distribution technologies, the planning, and finally reaching to maybe the chemist or going to reaching to the patients and all that. And then at the same time, the regulatory compliances are also met. So that's the big advantage about the blockchain technology. Digital technology creates a virtual replica about the physical systems, and to that will help to simulate the processes and predict the outcome based on to the real time data. And it will have an impact on to the better planning, optimization of the manufacturing processes, even working on to creating the scenarios and also taking the necessary decisions. The conclusion over here is that we should really start thinking about the Industry 5, which will be coming up in the next couple of years. And we should also have our roadmap that as we go on proceeding on to Pharma 4 or Industry 4, a shift toward the human centric approach should start building up so that human behavior, because they also have a very strong industry experience of the processes about the decision making, and they will be able to contribute a lot into the value creation and collaboration between the advanced systems and skilled expert workers or the skills will have a benefit into that, and that will improve the product quality, compliances and regulatory requirements without patient satisfaction. Just look at it. What are the differences between the Industry 4 and Industry 5 from the pharma industry point of view, actually? So, we are looking at it from shifting from Pharma 4 to Pharma 5 is with a more holistic approach, that emphasizes human collaboration, sustainability, and value creation and all. So, what is this focus on a human centric collaboration? How we will uh, uh, define it actually? So, we are as we are looking at it about various emerging technologies for achieving operational excellence improvements and all. The focus among these is automating the processes to reduce the human intervention so that the human intervention will be more available onto decision making. So when we talk about the industry 5 or pharma 5, it shifts the emphasis toward the integrating human expertise with the technology, and that promotes the collaboration between the humans and the machines, which recognizes the value of human creativity, intuition, and decision making into manufacturing process. So that is what is the change is going to come from the industry 4 to industry 5 or from pharma 4 to 5. And this enhances the job satisfactions and leverages human skills for higher value task actually. They will be able to contribute more from their expertise actually. What are the sustainability and ethical considerations when we are looking from the industry 4 to industry 5? Industry 4, as you know, it really helps in improving the efficiency, sustainability, and all those things are there. But when you are looking at it from the industry 5 point of view, a strong emphasis on sustainability, ethical practices, social responsibilities, and which integrates also considering the environmental consideration into manufacturing processes. As we say that no, it is more of a human behavior, human approaches, and all that. So these are the considerations we had not really thought about it when we are looking at it from industry 4 or the pharma 4 uh, point of view. But this will actually benefit to the society in a long term basis as a whole, actually. Then let's give a thought on the value creation, which is beyond efficiency. Now, in industry 4, pharma 4, our main focus was on to improving the operational efficiency, the reducing downtime, and enhancing productivity with automations and all that. But when we are thinking about the industry 5, it will be more of a value creation for the people, society, environment, and all that. No, so there is a shift from efficiencies and downtime to more to the people, societies, and environment because that is a long term thing which you will have to start thinking. So you have to have operational metrics which is more focused onto this particular area. Then again, looking at it from the integration of the various advanced technology, as we discussed in Industry 4 or Pharma 4 about various technologies like cloud, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoTs, and all that. When we are thinking about the Industry 5, it will build upon the role and the supporting human worker rather than the replacing them, actually. No? We are not just we're looking thinking about the robotics or the reducing the manpower, but we want to have their contribution, which will build up more collaboration between the various skills, no, and various advanced systems, which will be really taking up and all that. So, as I mentioned earlier, also the more focus will be onto the human skills, human intelligence, human behavior, which will, and that will enhance onto the environment, safety, social things also. Coming to that agility and flexibility, we were also discussing when we are to Pharma 4 or smart manufacturing, how we can automate and interconnect various machines and automate processes and all that. But when we are thinking about the industry 5 or a Pharma 5, that agility, flexibility will be driven to support to the market requirements, market condition, actually. we were also considering this the issue into the pharma 4 also. But mm, the changes into the environment, changes into the market requirement, changes into the customers' expectations, and everything is changing. And these changes will be much more faster. In fact, people are also now thinking about the personalized medicines and all that. So to support to that, we have to really take into considerations into the pharma 5. So that is what is in the flexibility. So now coming to some conclusion that when we are talking about from industry 4, which is typically a digital transformation with automation, when we are looking at it, industry 5, we so that the shift is more towards the human-centric approach, and that is value creation, sustainability, personalizations with a broader societal impacts. Actually, that is what is going to happen. While we are in the process of pharma 4, also we have to also keep that there will be much more complexities will be coming up into when we are thinking about the pharma 5 actually. So I thought I just tried to give you a brief idea or a roadmap when we are looking from pharma 4 to pharma 5 or industry 4 to industry 5 and all that. Uh, you will get some more input, some more information onto our various other channels which I mentioned at the starting of this particular episode on our YouTube channel, on our smart manufacturing course, and our podcast channel. Also, we are already planning to have many more sessions regarding uh, more onto Pharma 4 also, but we will also discussing into Pharma 5 so that you will have a better idea. And this is a roadmap for the next 2, 3, 5 years and all that. You will have to build up onto your calendar or something like. So I again request all of you to look at it our other channel, do subscribe them, make your share your comments also, share with your network also. And if you feel that we should really cover up some more challenges, what you face it, do share those topics also. We will try to put our expertise and our experience in last 40 years and share with you. Thank you. Bye.